You're with Terry Steiner, National Women's Coach, at the conclusion of the Women's Worlds. Finished up today with a second champion, Elena Peryshkova. Let's talk about her competition today and your thoughts about Elena deciding to get it done like you talked about before the event.
Well, I just think it's been a long time coming. I mean, she's been one of those people that have bought into the program wholeheartedly, and she had some near misses, she had some not so great performances, and today she put it all together. And I tell you what, she went out to get that gold medal, and she's earned it in the room for a long time. Today she earned it out here on the mat.
Now, she had early pins in 2 matches, and then a good aggressive victory for her in the semis. Finals went 3 periods. What were your thoughts about that match? Obviously, you know, she needed to pull it out in the 3rd.
I think for a little bit in the second period we got a little bit relaxed, a little bit defensive too much, and the girls has some good offense, and we let her in too much. But she bounced back and she did a great job, and you know, she's a world champ, so we're happy with that.
Now, 2 world champs. We haven't had 2 world champs since, well, back 1999 when the U.S. won the last world title. We had 2 world champs the same year. It's been a long time to be able to come home with 2 gold medals. Adeline Gray also winning a gold medal. Your thoughts as the program having 2 champions?
Well, I think it's a good start for us as we push towards 2016 in Rio. I mean, to have 2 world champs and, you know, 2 other medals with girls that are going to be with us for the next 4 years. That's a great start for us. And then, you know, so much goes into winning. I mean, you know, there's so many people involved and there's so many people to thank. I have to give first thanks to Coach Izzy and the things he's done for this program over the last 5 to 7 years, and have just been tremendous, and we're reaping the benefits now. I wish he was here to enjoy it, but you know, there's so many people going in. I mean, we have our volunteer coaching staffs, our college programs, our state programs that are getting these kids opportunities at a young age. Just so many people involved that you know, it's nice to see it all come together and us finally see some benefit of it. I mean, we need to be on this award stand every year. We're the USA, and we need to be there, and we expect to be there. But it was a good start today. I'm very happy for our medalists, Alyssa Lampe and Helen Maroulis, and our 2 world champions. Just an outstanding week for them, and something for us to build on.
We ended up 3rd, a real close fight with 2 great countries, Japan and China, ahead of us. You know, you came in wanting to win it, but you got up on the podium. Is this a good step forward for the new quad?
It's a step forward. I mean, anytime we have 2 champs and 4 medalists, I mean, it's more than we've done in the you know, a long time, and so we need to just continue on with this and continue to improve. And we still got a long ways to go. China is a heck of a team, and they're, you know, quite a few points ahead of us. So we got our work cut out. I mean, those teams, China and Japan, have set the standard, and you know, we got work to catch up. But hey, we're going to enjoy this one, and we'll move on from it. It's a good thing to have in our pocket, and we can move a lot from this.
Outstanding. Thanks, Coach.